Here's some big breaking news coming in. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra says legal action will be taken against actor Sunny Leone if her Madhuban song is not taken off YouTube in the next 3 days. This comes after Mathura-based priests demanded a ban on Sunny Leone's latest video album, accusing the Bollywood actress of hurting their religious sentiments by performing an obscene dance on the iconic Madhuban Mein Radhika Nache. In fact, priests say that Sunny's song is disrespect to Radha and Krishna when narrated in Hinduism. Here's the big news that we're currently tracking. Sunny Leone in the spotlight now. Legal trouble mounts for her as priests in fact, priests have now come forward in Mathura demanding Sunny Leone's song, Madhuban Mein Radhika Nache, be pulled off YouTube. And now the Home Minister himself, Narottam Mishra, has been demanding the song to be pulled down. Ravish Pal joining us for more on that. Ravish, what exactly is the situation here? We hear that Mathura priest and the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh now has stepped in, demanding legal action if at all the song's not taken off YouTube in the next 3 days. So whose prerogative is it? Is it the producers of the song? Is it Sunny Leone herself who's got to step in? But the complaint seems to be directed towards Sunny Leone itself.
And Jamila, this is not the first time the Home Minister Narottam Mishra has reacted on any Bollywood songs or anything like that. In fact, earlier before, Narottam Mishra has objected to a few scenes which has been shot at.
All right, I'm going to try and patch him back again. Here we have legal trouble that's mounting for Sunny Leone. Her song that's now really raked up quite a number of viewers, millions of them on YouTube. Here the Bollywood actress has been in the spotlight where Mathura priests have been urging, in fact even filed a complaint with this regard against the song, very iconic Madhuban Mein Radhika Nache, where priests say the song is disrespect to Radhika and Krishna venerated in Hinduism. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra now pushing for the song to be pulled down. If not, legal action will be taken against Sunny Leone. Ravish, over to you. You were explaining who exactly is this complaint targeted at. Sunny Leone seems to be in the spotlight, but what about the makers of the song? And does it push for the song to be pulled down? What does it exactly say, and what has the Home Minister said with this regard?
Today, Home Minister has asked the makers of this song and also the Sunny Leone, the actor Sunny Leone, to remove this song from YouTube. Narottam Mishra has said that this song is particularly hurting the religious sentiments of or religion, and he urged these two, Toshi and Sunny Leone, to remove this song from YouTube. Right now, there is no legal actions has been taken by the government or Narottam Mishra himself yet. But yes, he has given 3 days time to the makers of this song and Sunny Leone to put this down from the YouTube platform. Also, let me tell you that this is not the first time Narottam Mishra has objected to any such kind of songs from Bollywood. Earlier before, a kissing scene from a web series.
Right, we've lost his connection. Ravish, they're explaining to us that Narottam Mishra, the Madhya Pradesh Home Minister, has stepped in, warning Sunny Leone and the makers of the song, asking them to pull down the video from YouTube as early as 3 days. Within the next 3 days, do it. If not, face legal action. That's the warning that's been given to the makers and Sunny Leone. No response coming from the makers or Sunny Leone as yet.